Hi guys, this is Kaye Dee, and what I have in mind today, because I just want something that tastes like ice cream, but I don't want to eat the ice cream. So I thought way back in my arsenal of things I used to make when I was on my serious healthy kick. Because once upon a time I was so healthy it was ridiculous. Now I stay on point, but not like I used to when I was running, jogging, and all that stuff. But anyway, this is not anything new. This is an old school recipe, but it's still a good one. And again, I like it because if it doesn't taste good 9 times out of 10, I'm not gonna eat it. So this is what I do instead of going for some old school regular ice cream. This is a healthy alternative and it tastes wonderful. Okay, so what I have to show you guys, I have my, what I call, well, it's not what I call, this is my homemade granola. I made it from scratch, but I don't think I'm gonna use it in this particular recipe because of the berries that I've chosen. So I might use the honey almonds. I think I'm gonna use some honey almonds because it just goes better with the strawberries. Because with this recipe, what I like about it, you can customize. You can use blueberries, strawberries, raspberries, whatever your preference is, as long as it's something that you're gonna enjoy eating. Those are the berries you should choose. So I have the strawberries. I have my honey granola that I think I'm gonna use. We're gonna sim and piece it all together. Have a couple of ginger, spices, and a couple of healthy nuts and seeds in here that I'm gonna throw in there, because this is just what you call throw it all in the bowl, and because you like a recipe. I have some sweetener that I may not even use, but I have blue agave sweetener, some more ginger, a couple other nuts and seeds that I normally throw on the things, but I'm not really sure. I'm not sure how it's gonna come out. I just know I'm gonna piece it together and I want it to taste well, so I'm gonna experiment. But and that's the kind of recipe that I like. And you don't have to really have a recipe. You just grab a bowl, stack your ingredients, and put in there everything that you enjoy and things that you enjoy the taste of, and the end result is wonderful. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna stop for a second and piece one together to kind of show you what it can look like, and then I'm gonna come back and I'm gonna throw one together for you to show you how easy it really is. And anyway, I'll be back. You guys hang on. I'll be back. Thanks for watching. Okay, so I am back. I'm back, and I put one together. Let me show you. See, this is how cute it can really look. Like if you're having people over and you want to have something for presentation purposes, as I call it, there you go. Nice, smooth, easy to do. And once it settles down, because I put this together pretty fast. Once it settles down, it's gonna give it a different vibe. But let me show you how I put that together. Not hard to do at all. Not hard to do. This is even something, I like this because it's even something you can do if you have children. You know, some young children, small, doesn't matter. Slice the berries and everything in advance, so you can put that together for them. And it's healthy, and it's also something that they genuinely would enjoy eating. So, I'm going to throw together a small one because I'm going to eat that big one. So I'm going to put it to the side. Let him sit here and marinate a little bit in my Planet Hollywood. Yeah, I got this Planet Hollywood a long time ago and went to Florida on vacation or something. I don't recall. But anyway, it's been a while. Part of my travel stuff. Okay, so back to what I'm making. Now, to show you how fast I put this together. And again, you don't have to make yours that large. Yours can be smaller. It doesn't matter. I'm going to put that one over to the side. So, you start with your base. And with my base, and again, you can stack it however you want to. In this particular case, I'm going to use what's sitting here. I'll make a small one. Just put the nuts on the bottom. That's what I do. Some people put the yogurt on the bottom. It doesn't matter. Whatever your preference is, just put them on the bottom. You're just basically making layers. There, just grab your yogurt. You cannot mess this up. There's nothing to it. Get your spoon the yogurt out. Again, this is a no-brainer, and it's very, very healthy, and it tastes good. And what I'm going to do in this one to make it different, sprinkle a ginger on there. That's just me. You know, you don't have to do it that way. That's what I'm going to do. I think I'm going to add a little bit of agave sweetener just because. Not to have it, but I'm going to do that. And I'm going to make this one very basic since I doctored the other one up. I think I'm going to add some berries in here. Just on the side, just for presentation. You know, you can lay them flat, lay them on the side of the dish, however you want to do it. You cannot mess it up. It's one of those recipes. It's not really a recipe. It's something, again, you just go by intuition, what you want it to look like, and you just kind of, I won't say throw it together, but that's what you do. Okay, it can be on with the juice all over the place here. Okay, from that, I think I'm going to add some more. Why not put the rest of the berries in here? Why not? On top. Put the berries on the top. So we have the berries, and this is very good. You can actually prepare this very fast and easy in the morning too. Like if you're running out and you want to do quick breakfast. A quick breakfast, this is something that's a nice alternative. You can put your yogurt on the top. And this one, I think I'm gonna leave this one very, very simple because I'm gonna eat the other big one that I prepared. This is very basic, very simple. Maybe take some of these berries I have. Maybe take this one and let's see, where's the knife? I had them prepared and sliced in advance, but let's try this. Just stick it on the side just to, cute it up a little bit, for lack of a better word, if you want to cute it up. You don't have to do anything on the side, really. And maybe that one needs some more yogurt. Let's see. That one looks like it needs some more extra attention. Yeah, a little more extra attention. When I made this in the past, I've even gotten, serious and added chocolate, like dark chocolate. You can make a version with just the dark chocolate and the granola also. Again, it's whatever you want to do with it. You cannot mess it up. It's just a healthier alternative. And what I like about it is it's very, very filling. So you feel like you've had ice cream. At least I do. And for some reason, for cereal in the morning, I swear I feel like I've had a bowl of cereal. And there you go. Easy peasy and healthy. And it tastes good. If it didn't taste good, I promise you I wouldn't fool around with it. Nope. Now, because it's, the 4th of July, you can put you some blueberries in there, cute it up a little bit. But, for me right now, this will work. This will work. So now I have 2. And I put that together in oh my gosh. Was that even 3 or 4 minutes? I don't know. But the main point is, it's healthy, it's good, it's tasty. You cannot mess it up. I don't even want to call this a recipe. Let's just say, let's just say, what do I call this thing? This is not even a recipe, guys. This is just something to do when you want something healthy. And I'm going to call this what it is. It is a yogurt parfait. There you go. Easy peasy and delicious. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Hope you guys will give it a try. And I know a lot of people have seen these again. I don't think it'll taste good because of the yogurt. Well, guess what? You're wrong. These are delicious. I think so. The granola just makes it work. And, you got to give it a try. Don't give up on it. Give it a try. So anyway, guys, thanks for looking. I hope you enjoyed it. Happy 4th of July. Stay healthy, stay well, stay protected. Thanks for watching. Peace and